So next topic is snow. Just to remind us, we're in a section of Shabbos, right? Is snow Muktzeh? So Muktzeh is something that you cannot move, you cannot touch, right? There is a great discussion among the poskim regarding whether snow is Muktzeh on Shabbos. Many maintain that it is not Muktzeh, whereas others feel that it is. This disagreement is in regard to snow that fell before Shabbos, as well as snow that fell on Shabbos. Therefore, the difference of the opinion that the snow is Muktzeh, adults should not directly handle the snow on Shabbos. Children should be allowed to follow the lenient view. Walking on snow is permitted by all poskim and need not to be avoided. Okay, so let's try to understand. So what could be the problem with snow on Shabbos? So the first reason that comes to mind is that it's something new, right? That what did not exist before Shabbos, right? So these things, like the classic example in the Talmud is a chicken egg. So if a chicken lay egg on Shabbos, so you're not allowed, or you don't know when it was laid. For example, maybe it was from Friday before the candle lighting, maybe, or it was on Shabbos day. You don't know. That's why it's we're not allowed to touch it. So same one of the reasons they say maybe it is Muktzeh because of this, right? Because it's something new. Okay, so since there is a strong opinion that it is Muktzeh, so we're always, in case of the need, and we always, unless we need it, we try to stick to the strict opinion. But children, they want to play with snow, no problem. Okay, no problem. But of course, you can walk on the snow. It's not like you're touching. You're doing your normal activities. Okay, continue. Even according to the opinion that snow is not Muktzeh, one may not form a snowball or snowman on Shabbos due to the prohibition bonnet building. So building, it's a different story. So right, you creating something that was not there before, right? So it's also another issue in addition to building. Okay.